Outro: finding balance. In today's fast-paced world, the concept of balance often feels elusive. We are constantly bombarded with images of success, luxury, and the high life. But what does it truly mean to find balance in our lives? Look, it's not about demonizing wealth. Wealth, in itself, is not inherently bad. It can open doors, provide opportunities, and create a comfortable life. However, the pursuit of wealth can sometimes overshadow other important aspects of life. It's about recognizing the potential pitfalls and being mindful of our relationship with money. Money can be a tool for good, but it can also become a source of stress and anxiety if not managed properly. It's crucial to understand that our self-worth is not tied to our net worth. True wealth encompasses so much more than just material possessions. It's about the richness of our relationships, the joy we find in everyday moments, and the love we share with those around us. These are the things that truly make life meaningful. It's about having strong relationships, pursuing passions, giving back to others, and finding fulfillment in experiences, not just things. When we invest time and energy into our passions and into helping others, we create a sense of purpose and satisfaction that money alone cannot provide. And finding fulfillment in experiences, not just things. Traveling, exploring new cultures, and spending time in nature can enrich our lives in ways that material possessions never can. These experiences create lasting memories and broaden our perspectives. So let's strive for a balanced perspective, one where we appreciate the value of hard work and financial success without falling prey to the Bugatti disease. This means setting boundaries, taking time for self-care, and ensuring that our pursuit of success does not come at the expense of our well-being. One where we appreciate the value of hard work and financial success without falling prey to the Bugatti disease. It's about finding a healthy balance between ambition and contentment, between striving for more and being grateful for what we have. Remember, a fulfilling life is about more than just the size of your bank account. It's about the quality of your relationships, the joy you find in simple pleasures, and the positive impact you have on the world around you. It's about the impact you make and the legacy you leave behind. When we focus on making a difference in the lives of others, we create a ripple effect that can last for generations. Our actions, no matter how small, can inspire and uplift those around us. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember to take a moment each day to reflect on what truly matters to you and to find your own balance in this ever-changing world.